So Vijay everyone, this is Raj, and in this video I will discuss about one of the most effective way to choose any particular career which will be most suitable for you and which will lead to your continuous development and exponential growth. Like for example, if I will take one example of one of the greatest personality, which is MS Dhoni. Initially MS Dhoni was a ticket collector, but then he chose to become a cricketer. So friends, after becoming cricketer, he was able to get developed more and more, and he was able to face exponential growth. So this is what important thing is, that if you want to choose a career which will make you effective and which will lead to your continuous development, so this video is for you if you want to choose a particular career. So friends, for discussing about the best suitable career for you, let us know about our composition, or we can say that the composition of any human being. So friends, any human being is composed of four things. First one is body, second one is mind, third one is heart, and the fourth one is soul. So every human being is composed of all these four dimensions: body, mind, heart and soul. And each four dimension has its own intelligences. Like for example, if I will talk about body has physical intelligence. It means that how we are able to survive in tough condition, how our organs are working properly. So this intelligence about our own body, the knowledge about our own body, it relates with the physical intelligence. If I will talk about mind, so with the mind, the intelligence which relates with the mind is that mental intelligence, which is also called as IQ level, and it is very much common that how much we are able to solve any particular task by using our own mind, by using our own IQ level. So this is all about the mental intelligence. Third one is the emotional intelligence, which is called as EQ, and this relates with the heart. It means that how we are able to adapt ourselves in different communities, with different persons, in different situations, you can say. This is our emotional intelligence, how we are able to control our emotion, the emotional stability. So these all the things are coming in the case of emotional intelligence. So if I will talk about the fourth thing, it is the spiritual intelligence, and it relates with the soul, and it deals with the things like our purpose of life, the purpose of our life. Secondly, we can say that what legacy which we want to leave behind us. So these all the things, like what is right, what is wrong. So these all things are coming in the case of spiritual intelligence. And one more thing which relates with all these four dimensions, and these are that the first one is passion. Passion means that automatic motivation to do particular thing. Like if we are doing any particular thing and we are getting automatic motivation, we do not require any outside thing, any external thing to get motivation. We are automatically motivated when we are doing that particular thing. So passion relates with the heart dimension. Second one is the need. For example, if you are doing anything, if you are choosing any career, so in that condition, whether you are able to generate good amount of money, good amount of wealth, so that you will be able to fulfill your requirement of your family, requirement of the peoples. So it's all about the need, whether the peoples need you for your skill, for your talent, for your work. So this relates with the part, you can say, body. If I will talk about the third thing, it is the case of talent, and talent relates with the mind, your mental intelligence. So friends, it means that whether you are talented for that particular task or not. Talent means the God gift, or you can say that the natural gift, natural skill which are present in you, which is present in you. So this is talent, you guys. And there is a difference between talent and the skill. So talent is most important thing. And the last one is conscience. And conscience means that if you are doing any particular thing, if you are choosing any particular career, So in that condition, whether this is right or wrong, the inner voice which will come from inside, that whether that particular thing which we are doing is right or wrong. Now friends, I will talk about the effective method to choose our voice, or we can say our career, which is very much suitable and we had been made for this career. So the very basic thing, very basic you can say method is that if we are choosing any career, you can say, let us take one example. I'm just taking example. Let us take that I am choosing any career, cricket. So in that condition, I will do one experiment, that whether the cricket career relates with all the four dimensions of our life, of our human life: body, mind, heart and soul. First thing is that I will talk about mind. I will analyze, I will do introspection, that whether I am talented in cricket, I am a good batsman or a good bowler. So whether I have a good talent in cricket, a natural ability to learn different skills, different techniques in cricket. So it is about the talent. Second thing is the passion, which relates with the heart. It means that while playing cricket, whether I am getting automatic motivation or not. So if you are getting automatic motivation in cricket, you can say, so in that condition, yes, we can go for cricket. That yes, we can say that cricket relates with our, you can say, heart. Now friends, if I will talk about the third thing, need, which relates with body, we will again do introspection, that if I am playing cricket, whether I will be able to earn money, whether peoples will require my skill or not. So in that condition, we will introspect. If it is right that peoples are requiring the skill, peoples are paying for watching my skill, or you can say that I am able to earn a lot of money after playing cricket. So in that condition, we will tick that body. Cricket also relates with the body, and at last we will go with the soul, you can say, with the conscience. We will again do introspection, that if I am playing cricket, so whether it is right or wrong. So we will do introspection, and if it is right, it is nothing wrong in terms of society, in terms of any aspect. So in that condition, we can say yes, cricket is definitely fine. So if you can say, if you are choosing any particular thing, any particular career, and your body, mind, heart and soul are getting related with that particular career, so in that condition, you should find out that this is your voice, and this is the purpose of your life, and this career will be most suitable for you. And in that condition, there is one more most important thing, that all the four things should relate, all the four dimensions, body, mind, heart and soul, should relate with your career. If, for example, in the case of cricket, you have all the things, you have passion, it means that cricket relates with your heart. You have conscience, it means that cricket relates with your soul. Second thing is that need, cricket also relates with the need, like you will be able to earn huge amount of money. But for example, if it happens that you do not have much talent in cricket, so in that condition, you will find out that cricket will not be a good career for you. You may have find out that a lot of cricketers are there who are not able to get successful in the cricket aspect. They are not able to become a great cricketer. They are only be able to become a mediocre cricketers. And likewise, in the same manner, if you are choosing any profession, if you are choosing any career, if all the four dimensions of your life relates with that particular career, then you should be very much confident that this career will be for you. You can experiment with any career you want to choose. You can choose any n number of careers. You should do this much experiment, and if that particular career will be successfully tested in that experiment, so in that condition, you should be confident that this career, that particular career will be highly beneficial for you, and you have been made for that particular career. Now friends, if you find this video helpful for you, like this video, subscribe the channel of Samvad Club, and share this video to all those persons who want to get awareness about the career which will be highly suitable for these persons. And this problem, you can say, this is one of the major problem that youths in India and the world are facing, that they are choosing any career like engineer, doctor, anything they are choosing just by seeing their friends, their brothers, sisters, you can say, that they have chosen, so that's why I will choose that particular career. But every human being is different, and every human being have some special quality. So in that condition, we should use our special quality. We have the freedom to choose, so we should use our freedom to choose our own career. We should use our freedom to choose our own career. So in that condition, we will become great in our life. We will become highly effective in our own life. So that's all from my side, and Swavijan.